Hello, myself Shubham Misra, and today's my topic is tumor spreads and its impact on physiotherapy planning, and I am going to explain about it. Firstly, I will start from its introductions. What is tumor? A tumor is an abnormal mass of tissue resulting from uncontrolled cell growth. Tumors may be begin non-cancerous, malignant cancerous. Malignant tumors can invade nearby tissue and spread to distant organ. Now, tumor spread metastasis. Definition of metastasis. Metastasis is the spread of cancer cells from the primary sites to the other parts of the body. It is major cause of cancer related disability and death. Commonly metastatic sites bones, lungs, liver and brain. Now, roots of tumor spreads. Methods of tumor disseminations: direct local invasions, lymphatic spread, hematogenous blood-borne spread, transculomic spread, body cavities. Example: breast cancer, lymph nodes, lungs cancer, brain, prostate cancer, bone. Now, effect of tumor spread. Clinical consequences: pain, fatigue, muscle weakness, reduced mobility, fracture risk, neurological defect, respiratory complications. Now, role of physiotherapy in cancer care. Objectives of physiotherapy: improve mobility and function, reduce pain and fatigue, maintain muscle strength, improve respiratory function, enhance quality of life, promotes independence. Now, physiotherapy assessment. Important considerations: type and stages of cancer, location of metastasis, bone integrity, neurological status, cardiopulmonary function, patient's overall health, red flags, severe pain, sudden weakness, pathological fracture risk. Now, impact of tumor spreads on physiotherapy planning. Tumor spreads affect mobility, strength, balance, and endocrine. Bone metastasis increase fracture risk. Avoid high impact exercises. Brain metastasis can reduce breathing capacity and exercise tolerance. Physiotherapy plans should be individualized and focused